Hi friends! Long time no see. What's up? What's news? Write in the comments. I'm cool. Summer has finally arrived in Russia. Now I can swim and sunbath. How do you spend your time? I'd love to read your stories in the comments. And now it's time to change your wardrobe. We need summer clothes, more summer clothes. Let's have a fashion show. I remind you, you can download a free templates with paper dolls in my Telegram group. I'll leave the link in the description. Cool, so bright. Very nice. So beautiful dress, isn't it? Wow, it's stylish. I like it. And you? Wow, it's amazing. Phew, it was so awesome, isn't it? Friends, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and write comments. I love you all so much and see you later!